showers this afternoon. Cool times in the upper 40s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour this afternoon. Chance of rain 20%. For tonight, mostly cloudy with rain showers with a slight chance of snow showers in the evening, then partly cloudy after midnight. Little or no snow accumulation. Lows in the upper 20s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour, diminishing to around 5 miles an hour after midnight. Chance of precipitation 90%. For Thursday, mostly sunny.
Yup, here we go! Come on, 120. Yes! Yes!
You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
Yeah, it's working.
On a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, KIH35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And in northern West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally, in east central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast. The forecast for Pittsburgh and surrounding counties